Hi, Reverend Victoria here at Unity Center of Peace, and I am so excited to share with you my new Sunday talk series based on the 5 principles. And I know you might be thinking, 5 principles, I know what they are, it's pretty basic. But I promise you that when you really dive into these one principle at a time, not only will you understand your divinity and the divinity of everything around you more, but you will have an experience of it. And not only that, but you will more fully embrace your power as co-creator. So you'll want to get your copy of the 5 principles. Ellen Davenport's The 5 Principles. So just contact the office. We have lots of copies there waiting for your purchase, or you could buy them on Amazon or on unity.org. But you want to get your copy because in addition to the talk series, we're also offering a book study. And we've got 3 different times that you can join this book study, 3 different days and times. So you'll definitely find one that fits your schedule. All right, so let us get ready for transformation in 2022. Yes? Okay. Peace and blessings.